when you guys were going on your dates to these laundromats and you're talking to other customers, like what information are you trying to get, or like, what are you talking to them about? What are you asking them?
Just kind of, sometimes it wouldn't be direct questions, just kind of leading statements to see if they bid on it or not. One of the constants I found in life, and I think this translates across many businesses, is that people's perception is their reality. It doesn't matter what the facts are. How somebody perceives something, that's how they perceive it, and that's their reality. So if you have a store in a certain town and they perceive it as not a great place, it's unsafe, it's dirty, it's whatever, that's their reality till you prove them different. So you just kind of, be in the company of customers and dialogue with them. And some people, it'll set their radar off if you ask too many direct questions. You can make just statements and see if they chime in. And it's been my experience that people are usually more than willing to share their opinions.
Yeah. I've said this before, but it's a lot easier to rehab a laundromat than it is to rehab the reputation of the laundromat. Cause you're absolutely right that people's perceptions of your laundromat, I mean, that's how your laundromat's going to be seen. It doesn't matter. So like, for example, when I bought my first laundromat, I came in and I redid everything. I put in all new machines, almost all new machines. But I kept hearing for like 2 years, like, oh no, that laundromat's, dirty, or that laundromat's dangerous, or that laundromat's, XYZ, because that's what it was for a really long time. And it just took a lot longer than I expected to rehab the reputation of the laundromat. And, relatively speaking, it was pretty quick to rehab the actual laundromat, get new equipment in there, throw some paint on the walls, all that stuff. So you're absolutely right. Any